Bitcoin is about to create a massive breakout by this week. Bitcoin has been trading inside of this massive downtrend, while Germany has been selling off a lot of Bitcoin, but right now has started to create this symmetrical triangle. So we need to be talking about that exactly, about this Bitcoin bullish divergence and many more charts in this video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into the short term. And yes, first of all, yesterday was kind of crazy because we were actually looking quite bullish over here. We got this insane bounce back towards the upside, but then once again we got this news that the German government has sold even more Bitcoin. And yes, Germany is doing this on the exchanges. They are not selling their Bitcoin through OTC deals. No, they are selling their Bitcoin on the exchanges, which is causing the Bitcoin price to actually take a massive hit. And yes, yesterday once again we have actually seen that the Bitcoin price has seen a significant dump again. Now because of this dump, we have just gotten another touch point in our symmetrical triangle. So I think this is going to be a very significant pattern to be starting to have a look in towards. And right now, well, Bitcoin is once again testing this level of resistance, and we have already gotten 1, 2, and 3 touch points from this level of resistance. So if we are going to be breaking above, definitely we are going to be expecting a huge bullish breakout. If we are going to be seeing this bullish breakout, definitely I do think that we are going to be breaking this downtrend, and we do have a price target sitting at the 62.5k level. Now if we are going to be breaking above, I think we are going to be breaking this downtrend over here, and we are going to be flipping back bullish again. So that is definitely going to be huge for my Bitcoin trade. And I definitely do think that there is going to be a pretty big chance that we are indeed going to be breaking this one out bullish, because we are creating this bullish divergence on that daily time frame for Bitcoin on top of massive levels of support. At the same time, Bitcoin is creating this Bitcoin falling wedge pattern. By the way, if we are going to be breaking this downtrend over here, we are also going to be breaking out bullish outside of this falling wedge. That is definitely going to be even bigger than this symmetrical triangle breakout. On top of that also, yeah, Bitcoin is bouncing from off this level of support, just like it did over here, And by the way, I have opened a Bitcoin trade over here, and also right now over here at the exact Bitcoin bottom. So yeah, looking very good. Now Bitcoin has been filling up this gap over here that it has been creating with this huge pump towards the upside, just like it did over here. So Bitcoin history is right now exactly repeating with filling this gap with this dump. So yeah, I am going to be expecting somewhat of a similar move like we did over here, and then well, that next move towards the upside is going to be getting initiated. Now on that larger time frame as well, Bitcoin is just creating a huge bullish consolidation with this bullish megaphone pattern, with this bull flag pattern. So definitely on these larger time frames, it is looking very good. And if we are going to be zooming out even more, if we are going to be zooming out in towards this cycle, well, we are just getting even more confluences with the Nupo chart indicator. But I will be talking about this chart exactly a little bit later. First of all, yes, that short term is going to be very important for Bitcoin. Now, I do think we are going to be consolidating a little bit longer inside of this symmetrical triangle, but eventually if we are going to be seeing this a bullish breakout, I think we are going to be breaking out bullish. So definitely do be prepared. Now anyways guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, definitely make sure to check out Bybit, where you can be buying and trading altcoins and Bitcoins. And if you are using my link down below, you can right now be claiming a $40,000 deposit bonus. Now without this link, it is only going to be $400. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, yes, a lot of people are right now talking about the Bitcoin weekly time frame, how this weekly Bitcoin candle close is actually very bearish, and that we are just testing previous levels of support right now as resistance. And definitely at the first sight, this is not looking very good. But I just think that Bitcoin is going to be trapping a lot of Bitcoin traders right here, right now. This is definitely the setup which is going to be fooling a lot of Bitcoin traders. And yes, definitely, this structure is not looking very good. With this breakdown we are seeing right now, if we are going to be coming back above this level over here, that is going to be huge. Of course, this is going to be the level to be breaking back above for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going to be breaking back above this level, that is going to be huge. And if we are going to be seeing this symmetrical triangle breakout towards the upside, well, most likely we are going to be breaking back above this level, right? So that is why I do think that this symmetrical triangle breakout will be very important for Bitcoin. Now, if you are going to be zooming out a little bit more, yes, the Bitcoin RSI has cooled down significantly. If we are going to be having a look on towards a weekly time frame, we are reaching levels from September 2023. So this is definitely looking very bullish for Bitcoin in my opinion. Now, the Bitcoin dominance still in my opinion will be coming down anytime soon. Now for Ethereum is looking so good. I think that Ethereum is going to be bouncing even harder than Bitcoin with the spot Ethereum ETF coming up, etc, etc. I'm just very bullish on Ethereum right now. Now the stock market is still just going towards the upside while Bitcoin is cooling off, and we are just seeing the stock market and Bitcoin inversely correlated, but I do think that anytime soon this is about to change. Now anyways, this is going to be the most important chart to have a look in towards, in my opinion. I think that the Newport indicator is the most important indicator for macro trend swings for Bitcoin. For me, it has been exactly indicating that previous cycle top. You can go back on my channel and visit my latest videos. I published the latest and you can actually see that I predicted the Bitcoin top over there because of the Newport indicator. And I have said it many times, well, this Bitcoin cycle we are seeing right now is looking very similar to the one of 2017. And yes, we can actually see that this structure is exactly the same, with a rounding bottom, with a huge consolidation, with a little bit of a blow off top, which we exactly have seen as well in this cycle. And after that, a little bit of a double top, at around that previous all-time high. And also the Newport chart is looking exactly the same, exactly similar structures. So right now, in my opinion, I think we are in this last phase where Bitcoin is about to go absolutely parabolic. Now, once again, for this cycle, I will also be using this indicator to be predicting the exact Bitcoin top. So definitely make sure to be subscribed to stay up to date about that exactly. I will say it once more, this is going to be the most important and most powerful Bitcoin indicator because it is just using on-chain metrics to be following what is happening on-chain, on the blockchain, and with all of these calculations, well, it is going to be very precisely predicting what is going to be happening next. Now, anyways, yes, July has been starting off as a little bit of a red month for Bitcoin, but I do think that still we are going to be closing July in the green. Of course, we are 1 week in of July, 3 more weeks to go. I definitely do think we are going to be closing off July as a bullish month. So definitely right now is going to be the time to be paying attention. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.